In this video, you will learn about on what basis can I say two events are independent or dependent, and also on what basis can I say two events are mutually exclusive or not. The condition that you need to check for independent or dependent is, let us say A and B are two events. You need to find P of A intersection B. If this thing is equal to P of A into P of B, then we say A comma B are independent events. Independent events. Okay. In case if A intersection B is not equal to P of A into P of B, in that case we call A comma B to be not independent or dependent. Dependent or not independent. Clear with the condition? If you want to show any two events are independent or dependent, you need to check with this condition. If P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, it comes under independent. If P of A intersection B is not equal to P of A into P of B, it comes under dependent. Okay. Now, on what basis can I say events are mutually exclusive or not? Let us say A comma B are two events. To say they are mutually exclusive or not means, generally mutually exclusive means nothing should be present between the two. Those two have to be separate events. Then we call them to be mutually exclusive. Clear? Mutually exclusive means nothing, no part is common between the two. And mathematically, how do we show means, you need to show P of A intersection B is 0. In that case, I can call A comma B are mutually exclusive. Okay. No part should be common, no part should be present common between the two. In that case, I can call them to be mutually exclusive. If P of A intersection B is not equal to 0, in that case they are not mutually exclusive. Clear with the condition? Okay.